Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay SiriusXM bill online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To pay your SiriusXM bill online, what you need to do first is simply open up your browser, then on the search bar type in SiriusXM, and then once you are there, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of your screen. Then what you need to do is navigate to the billing section or billing summary under my subscriptions tab. Then once there, what you need to do is click the pay now button to proceed with your payment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next video.